Hello guys, welcome to this Bakerly line service to Harrow and Wealdstone. The next station will be Lambeth North. Well, no, this is Lambeth North. The next station will be Waterloo Station. Let me just set this. Okay, this is a short service to Harrow and Wealdstone. And sorry if FPS. My bad, I just don't want to happen. Wait. What? Right, next station, Waterloo. Right. I should actually be looking, but... yeah, this one. Controls the number of passengers that spawn on platforms trains, okay. Just looking. Right, we are supposed to arrive there a few seconds, so we're a few seconds late, but that's alright. We are slightly, I guess, almost a minute late. Right, we're shortly arriving. They should really add they would Dovetail Games really did a good job on the Bakerloo line. They should add like the DLR, cause you know there's one of the routes where I had the London Underground. There was a DLR, but you can't drive it or go on it. I guess you only could see it. They should really add it. Also, one fact, I can't use the rear boom camera if I try it here. That is basically clicking 2, which is seeing the first cab and the last cab. If you click again, you can't do that because we're in a tunnel. But when I went on the Southeastern High Speed for when I went on Southeastern High Speed with the Javelin and I was in a tunnel, I could access the rear boom camera, so I guess it has something that you can't use it in these specific tunnels. Just noticed that. Next station, Embankment. Slow down. Great. Next stop, Charing Cross. I also can see how many okay, so we've got calling at Charing Cross, Piccadilly Circus, Oxford Circus, Regent's Park, Baker Street. Wait, I need to slow down. Edgware Road, Paddington, Warwick Avenue, Maida Vale, Kilburn Park, Queen's Park, Kensal Green, Wealdstone Junction, Harleston Platform, Stonebridge Park, Wembley Central and North Wembley, South Kenton, or what am I doing, what? Kenton, Harrow and Wealdstone, and then we have to go to siding. So it's quite a long time. So I guess just stay tuned. Guys, we are at North Wembley. I just thought, yeah, we are at North Wembley. Next stop is South Kenton. Guys, please like and subscribe if you like this video, and the speed up really actually helped. Because why would you watch someone that is driving a Bakerloo line train for almost an hour? So yeah. We're arriving at South Kenton, platform 2. Right, I swear, if I fail this service, like if I run a red light, I'm gonna crash out, because I spent almost an hour trying to sit here and actually like cooperating with this, because I cannot stay on here longer. How many slots do we have left? Oh nice, we only have 2 and then deciding. Let's go. Let's actually go. Also, I didn't know if this was a short service or full service. I'm pretty sure it's a full service. Right, please open the doors, man. Ugh. Oh, it's taking so long, bro. I went from like 6 in the game, if you see up here, to 6:50. Is almost an hour, bro. Almost an hour. Oh my gosh, bro. The only part I do touch the controls now is stations. Like now I'm not touching anything. Right, next station Kenton. The station after that is, guess what? Harrow and Wealdstone. And then we have to do the siding too. How very tiring. It's just like, I mean, right now I don't have much FPS. It's like 23. Oh yeah. Wait, let me save our game. Always save your game. Yeah, it's like going from like 17 to 22. It's really low, and that means it's really laggy. Like like if I don't touch it for anything, it goes a little bit up and then. Okay, let's coast for a sec. See the train. Oh, bro, I literally thought it just crashed. I literally thought it just crashed. Oh my god. No! Oh, flip. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, that was a close one. That was a close one. Oh my gosh. That's a close one. That was a close one. I was supposed to click D, but I clicked E. Also, in Train Sim World 5, I had like this issue where when I stand it up, I glitched into the roof and I couldn't like drive anymore. So I don't think it. I think they patched it in this. I like it. Right, please, bro. I want to finish this. At the start of this, I was like, why don't we do a full service? It's not that bad. But it literally took an hour. I can't believe how Dovetail Games would expect someone to literally do this. But it's not that long, and it's understandable that the Big Blue line is a long time, because there's a whole line. But yeah. Scroll, man. Last station, Harrow and Wealdstone. Oh. Right, we will be there in 1 mile. Okay. Then after that, guess what? We have to do the sidings. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so long. Wait, you know what? Let me actually see. So we started at 03 and ended at 50. So that is 47 minutes of driving and sitting in the seat. That is crazy. That is crazy. We can actually see the Harrow and Wealdstone right over here. I cannot wait to come here. Wait, is it here? I literally see it. It's literally end. This is it. This is the full route. This literally is the full route. Right, I am not making a part 2 about this, where I go from Harrow, Wealdstone to Elephant and Castle. But you can watch it from other people if you want to. Right, we are shortly arriving into Harrow and Wealdstone. Start. $800 yards. $700 yards. $600 yards. $500 yards. Oh, I literally got it. Drive any locomotive for 100 miles within the speed limit. Oh my gosh. I just driven 100 miles within the speed limit. That is crazy. That is crazy. I've been driving a long time. Right. Did I say 400 yards? And now 300 yards. Right, should I go faster? I want to get there, bro. I want to get there faster. I swear, bro. If I run a red light right now, I'm gonna crash out. Right, save first, yeah, save first. Right. Alright, slow down. Actually, slow down, bro. Slow down. Right, great. Last stop. You're finally here. 30 yards. 20 yards. 15 yards. 10 yards. 5 yards. I'm just blowing a whistle. 3 yards and who cares? Right. Okay. It's already finished. Locked doors. Let's go. Siding! Siding! Please! I'm gonna go to siding. Go. Oh no, it's still red, it's still red. What? What? Oh, wait. I thought I just ran a red light. Okay, that's crazy. Go. I don't even care about speed limit anymore. Go. I want to go. Right, once we reach 100 yards, I will slow down. Actually, no, slow down now because I don't want to crash. Come on. I want to go. I want to finish. Here is our destination, Harrow and Wealdstone. Oh my gosh. 1 hour of driving. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next Train Sim World 5 video. No, 6. I'm used to it. And there could even be roleplay videos. So stay tuned. What? Excuse me, I want to finish. Let's go! I finished! Oh! Okay, the red line's my speed limit and my speed is the green one. Okay, that's decent. Oh my. Oh my. Let's go. Continue. Alright, I just want to see this, but oh no. I'm not going back. I'm not going back. Bye.